Cologne is a city of stunning cathedrals, lively carnival celebrations, and a rich cultural scene that goes beyond the usual tourist spots. In this video, we'll uncover the real Cologne, from its historic landmarks to the local traditions that make the city unforgettable. If you want to explore Cologne like a local, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more travel guides. Cologne, Germany's fourth largest city, is a vibrant blend of history, culture, and celebration. Famous for its soaring Gothic cathedral, world-renowned carnival, and bustling riverfront, Cologne hides countless secrets for travelers willing to look beyond the tourist path. From hidden museums and historic streets to local traditions and culinary delights, here is a countdown of Cologne's most intriguing spots. Point 10. Belgian Quarter art, cafes, and local vibes. The Belgian Quarter is Cologne's creative hub, a neighborhood full of boutique shops, graffiti-filled walls, and cozy cafes. While many tourists rush to the cathedral or Rhine promenade, the Belgian Quarter offers a chance to experience Cologne like a local. Wander the side streets to discover vintage stores, quirky bars, and small galleries showcasing contemporary art. Street musicians and weekend markets add to the area's lively atmosphere, giving travelers an authentic feel of Cologne's modern cultural heartbeat. Point 9. Cologne Chocolate Museum. Sweet secrets beyond the obvious. Cologne is home to the Imhoff Chocolate Museum, a place that goes far beyond tasting samples. The museum traces chocolate's journey from ancient Mesoamerica to modern Europe, and many visitors miss the workshops and hidden exhibits on sustainable chocolate production. Behind the gleaming displays, interactive sections teach visitors about cocoa cultivation, chocolate tempering, and even the science of taste. A stroll along the Rhine-side museum terraces offers picturesque views, making this sweet destination both educational and visually stunning. Point 8. Hohenzollern Bridge, lovelocks, and hidden perspectives. While tourists flock to see Cologne's lovelocks on the Hohenzollern Bridge, few explore its structural secrets. Beneath the arches, small walkways offer unique perspectives of the Rhine and the city skyline. Early morning walks reveal fishermen casting lines in quiet corners, and sunset brings the river to life with golden reflections. Hidden plaques and engravings on the bridge commemorate historical events, making it not just a romantic spot, but also a silent witness to Cologne's layered history. Point 7. Cologne Carnival culture in full color. Cologne's carnival is one of Europe's most famous, but its true magic lies in the streets and traditions beyond the parade floats. Locals prepare weeks in advance, with secret rehearsals, traditional music, and costumes reflecting centuries of custom. Attending small neighborhood events or evening Kölsch gatherings offers a glimpse of the carnival's authentic spirit. From humorous satirical performances to intimate costume parties, the celebration embodies Cologne's joy, resilience, and unique sense of humor. Few visitors realize that carnival is not just a spectacle. It's a cultural identity passed down through generations. Point 6. Old Town, Altstadt. Cobblestone streets and hidden courtyards. Cologne's Altstadt is picturesque, but beyond the main squares lie narrow alleys, medieval courtyards, and centuries-old taverns. Walking off the main tourist paths, you may discover tiny churches, secret fountains, and hidden sculptures tucked into corners. Local bakeries and artisanal shops provide a taste of traditional cuisine, from fresh pretzels to Kölsch beer served in local pubs. The Altstadt is a living museum of Cologne's past, where every street and building has a story waiting to be uncovered. Point 5. Museum Ludwig Modern Art's hidden depths. While Museum Ludwig is known for its collection of Picasso and pop art, many visitors overlook its lesser-known exhibits and architectural details. Behind the bold colors and famous pieces, the museum features rotating displays of local artists, experimental installations, and hidden sculpture gardens. Small lecture rooms host workshops and discussions, giving visitors a chance to engage deeply with the art scene. Exploring these spaces reveals Cologne's vibrant contemporary culture, often overshadowed by its medieval landmarks. Point 4. Cologne Cathedral, Kölner Dom. Secrets beyond the spires. Cologne's cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an icon of Gothic architecture. Most tourists admire its soaring spires and stained glass from the outside, but the hidden treasures are inside. Climb the narrow spiral staircase for panoramic views of the Rhine. Explore crypts housing centuries-old relics, and notice the tiny carvings in the stonework depicting historical scenes and local legends. Few realize that the cathedral contains secret chambers and hidden artworks that reveal stories of medieval craftsmen, religious devotion, and Cologne's enduring spirit. Point 3. Rhine River Promenade, cultural walks and quiet corners. The Rhine Promenade is lively and scenic, but venturing beyond the main waterfront uncovers quiet spots and cultural surprises. Street performers, hidden sculptures, and riverside cafes create intimate moments for travelers. Boat tours often stick to standard routes, but walking or cycling along lesser-known sections offers views of historic bridges, local fishermen, and old warehouses converted into galleries and restaurants. Early mornings and late evenings provide magical reflections of Cologne's skyline in the water, giving the city an almost ethereal charm. Point 2. Colomba Museum. Art, history, and unexpected architecture. Colomba Museum is a hidden gem that combines art, history, and innovative architecture. Built over the ruins of a Gothic church, it houses medieval religious art alongside modern installations. Many visitors pass by without noticing the museum's intricate integration into the cityscape. Its quiet courtyards and reflective spaces offer a peaceful retreat from bustling streets. Inside, art pieces are thoughtfully arranged to create a narrative that connects Cologne's past and present, making it a profound cultural experience. Point 1. The spirit of Cologne. Kölsch, legends and local life. At number 1 is not a building or landmark, but the living spirit of Cologne itself. It is found in small neighborhood pubs where locals share stories over Kölsch beer, in hidden bookshops, and in streets alive with festivals, music, and laughter. The city's legends, from the mythical Hansel Mansion, Little House Gnomes, to tales of medieval merchants, are embedded in daily life. Experiencing Cologne fully means slowing down, wandering off the main tourist paths, and engaging with its people and culture. It's this vibrant, layered identity that makes Cologne unforgettable. A city where history, celebration, and everyday life intertwine seamlessly. Cologne is more than its cathedral or carnival. Its hidden courtyards, secret museums, riverside treasures, and rich local traditions create a city full of stories waiting to be discovered. From the Belgian Quarter to the heart of Altstadt, each corner offers a glimpse into Cologne's past, present, and soul. A city alive with culture, color, and charm. From majestic cathedrals to colorful festivals and everyday life, Cologne is full of experiences waiting to be discovered. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on the city, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.